Okay, I hope everybody's finished with the first part of today's lesson. Second part of today's lesson is going to be over triangular pyramids. And like rectangular pyramids, triangular pyramids, the first part of the name will actually identify the base of the shape we're going to be working with. So today's base, part 2 will be a triangle. And here's the first part that we're going to work on, okay? So I know that we are working on a triangular pyramid. So volume for a pyramid is equal to 1/3 capital base B times height. And I know it's a pyramid because of a vertex. Okay. And again, if we look directly across from the vertex, we'll have our base, which our base is a triangle. And that area right there is what I must focus at the beginning, area of my triangle. So then I know that the first part is I have to solve for the base, which is a triangle. An area of a triangle is equal 1/2 small b times h, which is base times height. Then I'm going to take my values that are given and I'm going to substitute them into the formula. So if I'm looking at the triangle, I'm going to use 6 as my base and 14 as my height. Now the order in which I use them really does not matter because it's multiplication. Okay, so then I have 1/2 times 6, which is the same as dividing 6 by 2 times 14. And 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. And I'm left with 14, 3 times 14, which is 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1, 3 times 1 is 3. 42 centimeters squared, because I'm talking about area. So I figured out that my base is equal to 42 centimeters squared. Now I can take that number, that value, and substitute it back into my variables, which will be 1/3 times 42 times the height. 1/3 times 42 times the height, which is, I only have one more number left, which is 10. So 10 is my height right there. Again, if I'm multiplying by a fraction with a numerator of 1, it's the same as dividing by the denominator. So 42 times 1/3 is the same as 42 divided by 3. And then I'm going to multiply that by 10. 42 divided by 3, let's see, 4 divided by 3, 1. That gives me 14 times 10, gives me 140. And I'm working with centimeters, this is my units, cube. So my volume for this pyramid, triangular pyramid, is equal to 140 centimeters cube. The base is equal to 42 centimeters squared. Now remember that you can always check your answers by using a calculator to verify that your answers are correct. Okay? You got 3 more problems. Go ahead and finish them.